My birthday is coming, and there will be no friends coming to my birthday. I have few friends, but they're far away. And my best friend also. Ooh, we share the same birthday. This friend has been somebody in my life for all of my years. This friend, we share the same womb. Yes, that's my twin. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mutiet Direct. I'll be talking to you direct from that lens. I've never had the sense of, oh, I needed a friend, I am so lonely, because God has blessed me with one, and that's my best friend. So my twin is my best friend because she's always there. Through thick, through thin, we fight, yes, we are taught together, we cry together, we laugh together. We even almost have our kids together. Yes, that is my twin. So yeah, I consider myself a friend indeed. And not just because I consider myself a friend indeed. I've earned that title. And if I can do a lot for friends, why not choose few friends? Don't acquire friends like I'm acquiring clothes, like acquiring stuff. Because friends has their own issue. I don't want to complicate my life more than I have with friends, because jealousy, envy is indeed one part of friendship institute. Yes, I now realize that I don't need much friend. And what do you think? Do you think having a lot of friends make you have confidence? Having a lot of friends help you, you personally, or having a friend is just a norm? And who do you consider your friend? I mean, your best friend. My best friend is my twin, like I said. Some people say, oh, my best friend is my cousin. My best friend is my sister. Tell me, comment below. Let me know who your best friend is. And what do you consider, who do you consider friends? And how do you make your friends? I will be happy to see what your comment is going to be. And I will be happy to read those comments. So, like I said, I have few friends. And where are my friends? Yes, good question. I always ask myself, when last did you make new friends? Have you ever made friends since you move into the United States? And my answer is no. As I was scrolling out through my Facebook, through whatever Instagram, whatever social media, I see that I have not made a new friend in the last 10 years. Yes, I socialize, I interact, but does that mean I'm going to be making much friends? No. Even in college, I didn't. Because I don't keep friends. It's just like me saying, oh, I don't have savings account. No, that's quite different. But friends, from what I observe, I choose my friends wisely. And that's because they are going to be there, they're going to listen to me. And before they give me advice, they're going to ask for my opinion on what I think about the situation, what I put to table. They're not going to belittle me. They are friends who understands me, who always knows their boundary, who don't envy, who are not proud, who are not pompous, who are not keeping up with the Joneses. Because I am not a materialistic person, and I don't want a friend who is not, who does not love themselves in and out, whose self-love is low, who doesn't have their own self-esteem, a friend who just don't care about other friends. So that is why when I meet people, we chat. It took me a while to finally decide, oh, you're my friend. And that is why I said, when I am choosing my friend, I choose them wisely. Because they said, show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. I've had bad friends. Not like friends, not like the ones I'm going to keep. But just because I have those bad friends doesn't mean I'm going to be bad. I'm going to talk about what I look out for in a friend. A friend who's loyal, who's honest, who always encourages me, who always seek my opinion as a friend also, and who find opportunities and call me in and show me what other ways I can be, what other things I can do to succeed. A friend who sees an opportunity and call me like, I know you're gonna appreciate this, I know you're gonna need it, I know this is something you're gonna like, and call me in and give me that option of like, oh, you need to do this. So those are the people I consider friends. People who want to uplift me spiritually, physically, who don't see my flaws, who doesn't want to shine under me, who don't want to call me out, who just don't want, because they're making new friends, or this person is better than me, they want to compare me with them and then just push me aside. A friend who's not going to belittle me, or they have material things or whatever they have better than me. A friend who is not just going to talk rubbish about me, talk nonsense about me. Yeah, all of this and so much more is what I look for in a friend. I know this is too much here, but that is why I choose my friends wisely. That is why I only have few friends. In fact, I can count my friends with one hand. Yeah, that's how. And the friends I have, they are as old as, they're like my age mate, and we've been together for years and years. That doesn't mean I'm not going to be friends with somebody who's younger than me. My friends, few of them are younger than me. So among all my friends, who do I look up to? Definitely my best friend, my twin. I look up to her because I am one person who is not patient. I am one person who is all over the place. I am one person who don't care about what other people think about me. And when I say I look up to her, in high school, when we were growing up, I don't have any friends, and she is somebody who put me together, who put me through, and like, you know, you have to behave, you have to do this. She's just like my guardian angel, my mom. Yeah, because I am not that kind of person I am always restless, so I am always like wanted to do multitask, do things and never get anything done. But because that's why I look up to her, because just to emulate things that she did. And not that I'm comparing myself, which I have a video about that. People comparing me with my twin sister, and that I don't take. I tell people my mind when they compare me with my twin, and I'm going to share that video, what I always tell people and how I deal with people comparing me with my twin sister. So yeah, that's that about me looking up to my twin. And this me looking up to her doesn't mean that I want to be her. However, I tried to one time. Maybe I could just stay in the house, being an introvert, staying in, don't want to talk to nobody. I did that one time, but I did not succeed. Yes, I did not. I just know that I am all over the place. I have to be heard, I have to be seen. So I don't need a friend more than the ones I have. So like I said, I can count my friends with my hands, with my one hand. So that is why I just don't think making a friend is so important to me, because friends comes and go. So that is it for today's video. I have a video coming up about my birthday batch, about what I'm treating myself with. If you have not seen a video about me talking about my mindset, manifestation, and journaling, check this card. I have a video about that, and I have a video about what I've been getting myself since my birthday is coming. So yeah, I have videos on that. So check this card about my birthday, what I've been getting myself, and then what I am still gonna get myself is coming up. So that is all I have for you about friendship. If this is something you like, something you're really interested in, please subscribe to my channel, click that notification, and give this video a like, because that's gonna help me help my channel. So with that, I will see you on my next upload.